Hello student. Today we are going to continue chapter 5 acid base and salt. Student, in my previous video we have discussed about acid and base. Then we read that indicator. What is indicator? Special type of substance that are used to test whether a given substance is acidic and basic. Student, we read that indicator is a special type of substance that are used to test the given substance is acidic or basic in nature. Then we read the natural indicator, which is litmus. Student, litmus is a natural indicator because it is extracted from lichen. And student, we read that in acidic medium, blue litmus paper turn red, and in basic medium, red litmus paper turn blue. Okay. Then we read the turmeric is another natural indicator. With the help of activity 5.2, we understand that turmeric is behave like an indicator because in a basic medium it turn red in color. Turmeric change his color in basic medium, it convert into red in color. Okay. Student, today we are going to continue our next topic, China rose as indicator. Student, we read that litmus paper is a natural indicator, turmeric is also a natural indicator, China rose is also an indicator. Student, how can a China rose is an indicator? We can understand by activity 5.3. What we do in this activity, we collect some China rose petal and place them in a beaker. हमने China rose petal लेना है and उसे beaker में रखना है. बीकर में रखने के बाद हम उसमें warm water ऐड करेंगे. स्टूडेंट, जब हम warm water ऐड करेंगे उसके बाद petal, the water converted into pinkish color because petal leave their color in a warm water and the water become pink in color. This one, the middle one, is an indicator. Okay, आपने चाइना रोज के पेटल में बॉइल्ड वाटर और वार्म वाटर, ओके, गर्म पानी ऐड करना है and after some time when you observe the water become pink in color because petal leave their color and it behave like a indicator. When you use this China rose indicator into acidic medium, it turn dark pink and magenta color. Okay, it turn magenta color, and when you use this indicator in basic medium, it turn green in color. ओके, जब चाइना रोज इंडिकेटर को आप एसिडिक मीडियम में यूज़ करेंगे तो ये डार्क पिंक और मर्जेंटा कलर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, और जब आप इस इंडिकेटर को बेसिक मीडियम में ऐड करेंगे तो ये ग्रीन कलर का हो जाएगा. ओके, यू कैन सी हियर दैट हियर चाइना रोज indicator turn acidic solution to green to dark pink and basic solution to green. Mark in your note NCERT book also that China rose indicator turn acidic solution to dark pink and basic solution to green. Okay, student, now we read the three natural indicator: litmus paper, turmeric and China rose. Now we are doing this activity and actually we are filling this table 5.3. You make this table in your fair notebook and then fill it. टेस्ट सॉल्यूशन गिवन है, इफेक्ट ऑफ टर्मरिक सॉल्यूशन आपने फिल करना है। आपने पढ़ा है कि टर्मरिक सॉल्यूशन बेसिक मीडियम में ग्रीन कलर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, चेंज हो जाता है, एंड एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन में टर्मरिक सॉल्यूशन कोई इफेक्ट नहीं देता, नो इफेक्ट। सो लेमन जूस is acidic in nature, so effect on turmeric solution, no effect. Orange juice is acidic in nature, so no effect. Vinegar also acidic in medium, no effect. Milk of magnesia, base. Baking soda, base. Lime water, base. So in milk of magnesia you have to write turn red in color, because turmeric is behave like an indicator, because in basic medium is turn red in color. So milk of magnesia is also a base, so effect of turmeric solution change red in color. Baking soda change red in color. Lime water change red in color. And sugar and common salt, no change, no effect. Okay, you have to make this table in your fair notebook. Okay, and also you have fill this table 5.4 also. Here you write the final color after adding the China rose indicator. We read the China rose indicator when we added in an acid medium, it turned dark pink or magenta color, and in base it turned green in color. So you write here, for example, shampoo, the initial color is white and the final color, because shampoo is basic in nature. So after adding the China rose indicator, base turn green in color. So final color is green. Lemon juice acidic in nature. Initial color, you know, very light white, and you know the color of lemon juice, initial color. And the final color, because acid, lemon juice is acid, so it gave dark pink and magenta color. Now you have to write the initial color of soda water, sodium hydrocarbonate solution, vinegar, sugar solution, and common salt solution. Then you have to write final color after adding China rose indicator. If it is base, it turn green in color. अगर ये बेस है तो ग्रीन कलर में टर्न हो जाएगा, और अगर ये एसिड है तो डार्क पिंक और मेजेंटा कलर में टर्न हो जाएगा. ओके, you have to make this table also in your fair notebook. Student, now we are doing activity 5.4. Actually in this activity I will give you some acid or base. I will give you hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and some base like ammonium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and you will tell me that what effect on a litmus paper, turmeric paper, and China rose indicator on this acid or base. Actually student, you have to make this table 5.5. You have to write here the name of acid, as well as one more table you formed in which you write name of base. Now you tell me the effect of litmus paper, effect of turmeric paper, effect of China rose. Okay, we know that in acidic medium, blue litmus paper turn red. In basic medium, red litmus paper turn blue. As like we also know effect of turmeric paper. Student, turmeric paper didn't change in acidic medium. Do not show any change in acidic medium, but in basic medium it turned red in color. Here I use dilute hydrochloric acid. So this one is acid. So effect of turmeric paper, no change. But if I use calcium hydroxide, which is a base, so turmeric paper turn green in color. Okay, effect on China rose solution. In acidic medium, China rose gave dark pink or magenta color, and if I use base like calcium hydroxide, the China rose solution turn green in color. आपको एसिड एंड बेसिक सॉल्यूशन दिया हुआ है, आपको बताना है कि लिटमस पेपर पर क्या इफेक्ट होगा? अगर एसिडिक मीडियम है तो लिटमस पेपर रेड कलर में चेंज हो जाएगा और बेसिक मीडियम है तो ब्लू कलर में चेंज होगा। टर्मरिक पेपर एसिडिक मीडियम में कोई इफेक्ट नहीं दिखाएगा, बट अगर बेसिक मीडियम है तो रेड कलर का हो जाएगा। चाइना रोज सॉल्यूशन एसिडिक मीडियम में डार्क पिंक और मजेंटा कलर का होगा और बेसिक मीडियम में green color. Okay, so you have to make this table, write down some acid and base, and then effect on the litmus paper. You have to write acid, what effect on a litmus paper, effect on a turmeric paper, and China rose. Okay.